Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete WhatsApp messages. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Deleting WhatsApp messages is an easy process. Simply open up your WhatsApp application from your mobile device or your computer and make sure that you're logged in. Now from the conversation page or the chats page of WhatsApp, go ahead and find the message you would like to remove or delete. Once you find the message, swipe towards the left hand side of the screen and once the More button pops up, give it a tap. Now tap on Delete Chat and confirm deletion by tapping Delete Chat again, and that way you should be able to delete a text message on WhatsApp. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.